this is your hometown. What is your favorite food in Mysore that I must try?
Ragi ball.
Ragi ball. And where should I try it? Kahan pe?
It is a common food for everybody.
So Mr. Siddaramaya's recommendation is ragi ball. When we asked Chief Minister Siddaramaiah what he recommended eating in Mysore, he said you can't leave Mysore without trying the ragi ball or the ragi mudde. So we've come here to Tegu Mess and he's going to show us what is ragi mudde. It's basically a finger millet kind of ball, and by itself it's quite bland, so you have to dip it in a gravy. But we're going to find out more from the men who run this mess. Sir, आपका नाम बताइए.
तेगोजीराव.
तेगू जी आपका नाम है.
Yes, yes.
तेगू जी, ये रागी मुद्दे के बारे में बताइए हम लोग को, क्या है ये?
क्या रागी?
हाँ,
वो तो एनर्जी है. अच्छा.
एनर्जी है. अच्छा.
हाँ.
हमने सिद्धारमैया जी से पूछा मैसूर में सबसे बेस्ट क्या है खाने के लिए, वो बोला ये खाना जरूरी है.
वो इधर आता था ना खाने के लिए.
वो आते हैं यहाँ. अच्छा. So he is telling us that the chief minister also comes here to eat. तो इसको किसके साथ खाते हैं? Plain.
चिकन ग्रेवी, मटन ग्रेवी.
Can you tell us about this ragi mudde?
The ragi mudde is a ball of ragi.
हाँ.
We will eat in this way. Ragi mudde is deep in sambar chicken gravy or
Okay.
mutton gravy.
So I'm going to pick up one of these. So this is very big. बहुत बड़ा है.
Small है. अभी
ये
बड़ा
small,
रहता है.
ये तो बहुत बड़ा है.
Small है. अभी बड़ा रहता है.
मतलब ये small है.
Yes.
इससे भी बड़ा होता है.
Yes.
So he's telling us this is the ragi mudde, and the people here are telling us that ये तो कुछ भी नहीं है, इससे भी बड़ा होता है. So now I'm going to keep it in your plate,
Okay.
and I'm going to ask my cameraman to come here, and you're going to tell me. So I break a bit of it.
First, I want to
Okay, you do it for me.
first like this,
Huh?
and like this.
Okay.
Then
And is it true that you have to swallow it and not chew it?
no chewing.
No chewing.
Yes.
Why do you have to swallow it?
This is a ragi mudde, no? That's
Okay, so it's considered a high energy, healthy sort of meal, and by itself it has no taste, so you have to dip it, right?
yes, madam.
And do you all love it?
Yes, madam.
Huh?
Yes, madam.
You have it every day?
Good for health, madam. This one.
Good for health. Okay.
For a diabetes patient,
Yeah.
you want to eat this one.
So this is the ragi mudde,
Yes.
and as the PM has also been promoting millets, this is millet ball. Yeah.
Then this one, like.
Yeah.
Then
Okay, I'm definitely going to try that. But meanwhile, let's talk about elections also. Who do you think is going to win? Yeah.
Maharaja.
Maharaja? Huh? That's what everybody's saying. Is he very popular, the Maharaja?
No popular.
Huh.
In Mysore, Ramana is there, no? That's why Maharaja will.
So Mysore, everyone loves the Maharaja.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, we're going to let you have your lunch. Let's also just move here and talk to some other people. This is a very popular mess. You can see here rice is being served, and I'm quite hungry when I want to eat some food. And we'll talk here to this family. So we learnt about ragi mudde just now. Now let me ask you. Okay, I'll come here. Ma'am, what's your name?
I'm Vimala.
Are you from Mysore?
I'm from Vellore.
Oh, okay. Who do you think is going to win Karnataka?
I have no idea.
No idea. What about you?
Karnataka will yaar win.
Who election?
इलेक्शन है.
हाँ. कौन जीतेगा?
कांग्रेस.
Congress. हाँ, Siddaramaiah.
विन पन.
Okay, so we've heard Maharaja, we've heard Siddaramaiah. You want to tell us?
Yeah.
You want to, okay. Some people are shy and we won't disturb them, but we'll try and come here. Hello, sir. Sorry, I'm disturbing you. आपका खाना का time. आप यहाँ से हैं?
बैंगलोर से.
अच्छा, who's winning Karnataka?
बीजेपी.
BJP? What about you?
Yeah, BJP definitely.
BJP. So many more voices are saying that the BJP is going to win. Remember that though the Congress won in the assembly, the BJP did sweep the Lok Sabha. Let me ask you about that. Because you're saying BJP is going to win, but in the assembly, Siddaramaiah won. State and national are different?
Different.
Different?
Siddaramaiah is not good. He's But Yojana was not so bad.
So you want to vote for BJP?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So that's a thumbs up there for the BJP. And may I talk to you? I'm so sorry I'm disturbing you while you're at lunch. Can you just turn around for our camera? Otherwise, he can't actually catch you. Hi, just here from Delhi covering the elections. What are you eating firstly?
We are eating ghee rice and keema balls.
Ghee rice and keema balls. Can I ask the camera to just come closer because I'm very tempted to eat some of this. Is this the keema ball?
Yeah, mutton keema balls.
Okay, so this is the mutton keema ball and the ghee rice. I'm definitely coming and sitting and eating some lunch here also. So, what do you think is going to happen in the elections?
I think elections, these elections, the Congress has an edge because they are in power.
Yeah.
And last,
Who do you think will win?
I think it will be equal, maybe 50% seats by Congress and 50 from BJP.
Okay. Are you going to tell us who you're supporting?
Oh, definitely BJP.
Definitely BJP. Okay. So, a lot of BJP voters in this Tegu mess. Please enjoy your meal. Let's come here and end in the kitchen. This is the small, very busy kitchen. Busy चल रहा है हाँ?
हाँ सर मैडम
क्या होने वाला है इलेक्शन में? कौन जीतेगा?
अरे इलेक्शन में अभी इधर में महाराजा मैडम
Maharaja. So everyone talking about Yaduvid, who's of course the former king of Mysore. He's from the sort of Vadiyar dynasty. We were on the campaign trail with him, and here everyone's saying that the Maharaja is really popular. In the meantime, ये क्या है?
ये चिली चिकन है मैडम
चिली चिकन.
चिली चिकन
यहाँ का खास है ये?
इधर से पेपर चिकन और चिली चिकन दो भी खास है
थोड़ा
मैडम।
बताओ ना.
हाँ ये भी चिली चिकन है रेड कलर का लाल वाल का
इसका स्पेशल क्या है?
चिली चिकन ये सभी होममेड में होममेड
होममेड Mysore चिली चिकन.
मैसूर चिली
और यहाँ का
तेगु में चिली चिकन
Tegu mess चिली चिकन. ओके.
पेपर चिकन भी इधर है मैडम
इधर आइए. ये है फेमस मैसूर का तेगु पेपर चिकन.
बहुत पॉपुलर है इधर
यहाँ सबसे पॉपुलर. अभी हम भी बैठ के लंच ही
हाँ,
खाएंगे. ठीक है?
yes, madam.
ओके. थैंक यू. आपका नाम?
शाम शाम
So thumbs up for the Maharaja. Thumbs up for हाँ महाराजा ने
सभी दिया है ना मैडम स्कूल कॉलेज दिया है और हॉस्पिटल
जी.
दिया है सभी दिया है ना मैडम
This is something we hear repeatedly, how much the Maharaja has given to the people here, and really a lot of people are very, very sure that the Maharaja is going to win. But meanwhile, a slice of lunch at a very, very popular Tegu mess in Mysore, where the specialities are, of course, the ragi mudde, but also the Mysore chili chicken, the Mysore pepper chicken, and the mutton keema balls. So a lot of food for thought. And we'll see you soon with another edition of Dhabas of Democracy. Namaskar and hello everyone. Welcome to a ride through the heart and the soul of India. क्योंकि जब इलेक्शन सीजन आता है तो कौन जीता, कौन हारा, कौन आगे, कौन पीछे, ये बातचीत तो होती ही रहती है. But it's also a time for travel and meeting people and getting to know your own country better. So, welcome to the Dhabas of Democracy, where every bite tells a story, where every conversation will spice up your day. Experience the masala, the flavor, the swad of this election with us as we take a lovely, a unique road trip from the south to the north of India, traveling thousands of kilometers to bring you the flavor of this election.